Hey, hello guys. How are you doing? This is Vanati. Let's start the video with our motto: winning is a choice and we choose to win always. So today I'm going to explain how I traded on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So hope you remember this support and resistance lines I have drawn in the previous videos itself. So the same support resistance only will be having impact because the price closed near to this support zone. So I thought if the price takes support, then I can go long and book profit around this level. And if price break down, then this zone is somewhat like a caution required zone. It was very well volatile movement around this zone, and it won't break beyond that unless it has strength. So if it falls below also, then that time I have to book profit around this level. So that was my initial plan. This is 15 minutes chart, so I am taking 5 minutes chart. So in 5 minutes chart, if you see, uh, it was something like a trend line breakout. Trend line, if you draw a trend line, then it is some very perfect trend line, and also it is taking support. So this zone is a very good support zone. So I went long above this second candle's high and booked profit around this candle. Okay, so it was a good trade. And once it was moving up and it is coming down, then I thought, okay, it is somewhat like a rounding top. uh, so what I have done is I applied this moving average. So you have already known about this moving average. I have posted about it. So this is a 15 minutes time frame. So but since I am trading in 5 minute duration, I am taking this one. Okay, so once the price is breaking this, I can expect price may take support around this level, or it if it breaks means it will reach here. So that was my expectation, and shorted here and booked around here, because sometimes the price won't uh, touch the support. So it will may bounce it also. Already it was having retracement around this level. So that was second trade. And I missed this trade, this moment, because it was lunchtime and I was having lunch. So I missed this big move. But actually what surprised me was like, it was uh, falling down, and at once it break and took the support with very strong force. Like it went up in 3 4 candles, and see this candle. So that force was a bit surprising. So these are the two trades from here to here, and then this level to this level. So in these two trades are in nifty. Let me take a bank nifty chart. Mm, I will take the 15 minutes time frame. So the 15 minutes time frame, if you see, observe closely, then it is having a consolidation. Yesterday, it was within a range only. Yeah, the price movement was not much yesterday, and many should have lost money because it was not having a very big movement. Mostly the within the first candles high and low, the price moved. And if you have longed also, did not reach anywhere, and again it fall down. Like that was happening yesterday. So today I expected some breakout around this zone. And so uh, if you have remember, I was always giving stress about the level 32,800. 32,800 price will support. Here also see 32,800 was unable to broke. And always buyers were coming around this level, and they are trying to push price upside. So my plan was, when if the price took support around this level 32,800, then uh, I can expect the target around 33,000, because 33,000 also there will be some resistance, and beyond that if it sustains 33,000 then it will move towards 33,360 and 33,420. That was the I shared that in my group also. So I used 5 minutes time frame, so see how it went up. Like here the movement was very fast, like the entry was and it is not like it gave perfect entry, it was moving fast, and I was placing market order and entered around this level. And I booked partial around um, 360, and then booked the profit around 420, and after that that one trade was closed. Usually if I am taking too many lots, if my lot size is big means, then I will book partial profit and trial the rest. So I took partial profit around 360, and then 420 I closed the trade. So when it was reversing, for reversal I used this. So here this was my entry, and around this level before it touches the support I closed this trade, so it was very good trade. And then this trade, this movement I didn't capture because I was having lunch at that time. And oh, the mistake, the wrong trades I have done is in bank nifty. Okay, so what I thought is like, see the since the candle was very strong and it was moving upside, then I thought it will break the uh, this level and it will move this resistance also, it will break and it will move towards this level. So and also the price was moving upside, right? So I that entry was late entry, because if you have taken entry, then this is the perfect entry. But um, I took entry around this level, and it was somewhat late, not the right entry. And once after 5 minutes it reversed, so it hit my stop. So that was the loss. So it was something like uh, nearly one third of the profit what I got from bank nifty was reduced. Like for example, 60,000 means it was reduced to 45,000, something like that. So what I have done is I was waiting with the patience, and once the price reaches here, then I uh, bought put and the price fall down, these two candles. So that the loss I made in this trade by going long, so I recovered that in this move. Okay, so here I understood the like it is a double top, it will be forming double top, it is unable to move beyond that. And so I bought pa and recovered the loss I have made by going long around this level. So that was the wrong trade I have take. And the thing is like, see, this was one trade. uh, it is enough, right? That mindset every trader have to develop. But since I missed this movement by during the lunch time, so I thought, okay, I have already missed this capture this move, big move. And I entered here, which was very late, because the price took support, and if I am going long after this many move, this after bank nifty gained so much point, then it is a wrong entry, even though it is above the moving average and all. So um, the always greed plays an important role in trading, right? So that was a wrong entry, because I felt like I missed it to capture this big moment. So this fear of missing the opportunities, that makes you to take wrong entries, like me. Okay, so after that uh, uh, I was waiting for some um, good trade setup so that I can recover the money. So I recovered it here. So it was like, here when I closed, how much money I was having, that money I was having at the end. So this true trades is somewhat waste of time and energy. And if you didn't have greed, or if you didn't feel like you have missed some good opportunities, then you won't do this type of mistakes. But we are human being, we can't be perfect always, we are not a saint or we are not god, right? So doing mistake is a common thing, but you have to correct it. That's the thing. And once if you correct your trading mistakes, then only you can become successful. So that's all. I think I have explained my good trades and bad trades, and the reason for my bad trade. And if I didn't do that trade, then nearly you can say half day was a holiday, somewhat like holiday for me. But since I felt like I missed this move, I made a wrong trade and then I recovered it. So always manage your emotions, stabilize your emotions, so that you can make good money in share market. That's all for today. This is Vanati signing off. Remember, you can trade better than you think.